Okay, boys and girls, here is your math challenge for today. Today, we're going to continue adding two-digit plus two-digit numbers the old school vertical addition way, which is the fun way and the easy, quick way. But we are going to throw a little extra step in there for numbers that add up to be bigger than 10. So here is an example of what we're going to be doing. Let's review first, though, what we did the last time I posted a math challenge. The last time we posted a math challenge and we did a two-digit by two-digit number, Miss Baudin gave you 14 plus 24. And I said we write it and we line it up, the ones on top the ones and the tens on top the tens. And to help us with that, we draw a line to separate the numbers. Then we are always going to start with the smallest place value, which is the ones. Because in math, we work backwards. We work from right to left. So we're going to add 4 plus 4, and that's going to give us 8. And then we're going to add our tens. 1 10 plus 2 10, and that gives us 3 10s. So our answer is 38. Well, when we add up these ones, we notice that we can only put one number in each slot. In the ones place, there can only be one number, one digit, and in the tens place, there can only be one number or one digit. It's just like when you have 10 ones, we don't want all 10 ones there, so we bundle it up to make one 10. So here's going to be our challenge today. Let's take a similar problem. Let's do 24 plus 16. I'm going to practice lining them up by drawing my line to separate my ones and my tens. And I'm going to start on the one side. So I'm going to add 24 plus 16 starting with the ones. 4 plus 6. Now let's think, what is 4 plus 6? If we're not sure, either use touch point math or count using your fingers. 6, start with the bigger number, and let's count up. 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, y'all might want to put the number 10 right there, but we can't do that because that's two digits when we can only have one number here. So let's look at this number 10. What number is in the ones place in the 10? Right, the 0. The 0 is in the ones place. And what does that 1 represent? Very good, that 1 represents a 10. So we need to keep the ones place under the ones, and we need to move this tens place with the tens. So here's what Miss Baudin's going to do. I'm going to show you 24 plus 16, the right way to do it. So we know 4 plus 6 is 10. So there are two options of doing this. I'm going to write the problem 2 times so I can show you the two ways of doing this. Okay, so 4 plus 6 is 10. So we know the 0 goes in the ones, so I'm going to put the 0 there, and that 1 goes in the tens place. And I'm going to circle it, and I put it over the line right here so I see, here's my number 10 right here, where I have the 1 under the tens place and the 0 under the ones place. I mean, the 1 under the tens place and the 0 under the ones place. So we see this is the number 10. However, you notice I didn't put the 1 as the answer because 1 is not the answer on this side because I didn't add this up over here. I'm putting it over here so I know now, and I'm circling it, so I know now I have to add all 3 of these tens. So I'm going to add 2 plus 1 plus 1. That gives me 2, 3, 4. So my answer is 40. Now here's another way. 4 plus 6 is 10. We know the 0 goes in the ones because we have 0 ones in 10. And I can carry my 1 to the top. So you can either do it at the bottom so where you see the number, or you can put it at the top. And we do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and add it up. I'm going to do another problem to show you where I carry the 1 on the bottom. So this problem is going to be, let's do 38 plus 14. I separated my numbers. I'm gonna add 8 plus 4 because we start on the right side. If you have to, put your little star up there to help you remember. Start on the right side and work backwards. 8 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I have the number 12. And the number 12, I can write it like this. I can do 1, 2 to write the number 12, or 38 plus 14, I can say I've got 2 1s and 1 10. I can do it both ways. I like this way because you can actually see the number, the answer to that problem. Now all you have to do is just add up the 10s. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 52, we get the same answer. Okay, let's try one more. Let's do 27 plus 14. Okay. 7 plus 4. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Think about what we're gonna do. Think about our answer of 11. Can I just put 11 right here? No, I can't. How many 1s are in 11? 1, 1. Miss Baudin's gonna go ahead and carry and write her number 11 just like that. 2, 3, 4, and then I'm gonna add up the other side. Here's one the other way. 29 plus 23. 9, 10, 11, 12. In the number 12, we've got 2 1s and 1 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 52. 2 ways of doing it. It's up to you which way you like better. Now I'm going to give you a challenge, and I'm going to take a picture of this paper. And here is your challenge for today to try to complete on your own. Send me the pictures when you're finished. I'd love to see your work. Have a great day, guys. Love and miss you.